Welcome to another episode of Big Man of Woods. I'm Mark, your scout leader, helping you deliver skills for life and practical skills. And something that's a bit practical we're going to do today is make our own campfire. Because we can't go camping at the moment. We're on lockdown while coronavirus happens. So I thought we would go camping. We can't have a campfire in Grace's bedroom. So we're going to make our own out of things we can find around the house. So what can we make out of bits and pieces? So really simple. If you have got these items, you'll be able to make your very own indoor campfire. Okay, so what we're going to need is we're going to need some paint, and the campfire we're going to use is what? Red and yellow and what's this? Paper. That's it. That's all you're going to need to make an indoor campfire. And as scouts, we love to what do we like to eat over the campfire? We love to eat marshmallows. We can't roast them, but we're going to make our own marshmallows. And all you've got to do to make your own marshmallows, as I look in our goodie bag, is some of these. What are these, Grace?
Cotton balls.
Cotton balls. And maybe if you're going out and about, going for a little walk in your garden, whatever, pick up a handful of twigs. And these are going to make our roasted marshmallows. Okay, so let's go down on the floor and check out how we're going to make an indoor
Campfire.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to get the red paint and we're just going to paint some handprints, okay? Actually, Grace, before Mummy comes, can you put that yellow under the paint for me? We don't want to upset Mrs. the wife. And Mummy will tell us off, won't she, as we're painting? Okay, so let's paint my hand. Something like that. Yeah. Right, let's leave that to dry and we'll come back in a few minutes. Okay, so while we're waiting for the paint to dry, we're going to make some logs. So we've just been going through our craft box and we have managed to find some scrap bits of brown paper. So we're going to just make some logs. And look who's here. Say hello.
Hi.
Got our logs that we've just made here, the logs, and now we're going to make some roasted marshmallows. And it's simply, we've just been in the garden and just collected some twigs from the garden. We raided Mummy's makeup cupboard. Okay, so we're going to just make these marshmallows. I think what we're going to do is use a blob of PVA glue. So now we've got our roasted marshmallow sticks. Just gonna leave them to dry. Okay, so we've made the logs, we made them roasted marshmallows. The red paint is dry. Now we've got to add
The yellow.
the yellow. Right, time to get messy hands. So now we've got to add the logs. And if I was doing this as a scout video on building a log, then I would do a different technique. And the technique that I recommend is building the platform. So over like so. That kind of Jenga, but it says just play, so we can put it however we want to do it. Okay, so let's just stick some glue. There we are. So let's move that. There it is. Our indoor campfires. Let's go and roast and toast some marshmallows. So there we have it, our very own indoor campfire at the Barbies are toasting their own marshmallows. So there we are, guys, how to make your very own indoor campfire. So get the kids, get the grandchildren to make their own fingerprint campfire, and I'd love to see some videos on your indoor campfires and how you've made them. Right, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed my tips and tricks on making your own campfire. If you want some more, don't forget subscribe and like Big Man in the Woods for all those future vlogs. Right, let's go and get Barbie to toast some more marshmallows.